As I sat down to work on the last video of 2021, I decided to look back on the year that has been and what it taught me. So here is a glimpse into Home Gupshup 2021. Balance is the key. All work and no play makes Jenny a dull girl. The biggest learning in this past year has been to lead my life on a balanced path where I do not ignore one aspect of my life due to the other. There are no rules. Attending to my inner calling is what I am going to be focusing on. I would like to step out of the world of rules set for me by others and not myself. Does this mean I am being selfish? Not at all. It only means I am doing what I believe in. No one is judging you. I always contemplated starting a YouTube channel because of fear of judgment. But the pandemic made me realize it doesn't matter what the world thinks about me. What matters is what I think about myself. Making memories, but not holding on to the past. Life is too short to fill our hearts with anything but positive memories. How we want our mind space to be, beautiful looking or otherwise, totally depends on what we choose for it. Home is where the heart is. I spent a couple of months in India with my family after a long time. And whatever the situations may have been on the outside, being reunited with them was a feeling that had no match. It made me realize that family forms the core of us and we should never leave them behind in all the hustle that we are a part of today. Happiness can be found in little things. When traveling or even stepping out of the home was restricted, we all looked inwards. We found little things to do that were very satisfying. Finding happiness in little things is an art we all should pick up or acquire. Homemaking is a full-time job. The reason why so many people struggled this past year and found themselves doing chores that seemed to never end is because it isn't just another cleaning job that we always thought for it to be. Homemaking definitely deserves to be regarded as a full-time profession which needs time, effort and skill. And that is exactly what I intend to highlight through this channel, Home Gupshup. Time is perfect when you want it to be. My friends who wanted to travel before the pandemic but didn't travel then thinking it can be done later are still unfortunately waiting for it to happen. I guess we shouldn't delay following our passion one bit. Affirmations. Affirmations can change the way we think. Affirming positive thoughts twice daily ensured that I filled my mind with the best of thoughts. Ignorance is bliss. With all kind of information pouring in from all directions, it is necessary for us to choose wisely. Being aware of every single activity that is happening around us can contaminate our mind. I have decided to continue the filtering of what I consume even now only for my good. What goes around comes around. In the past months, many people have set exceptional examples by helping those in need. It is more about helping others who may not be in a position to help us back, or rather, helping without any expectations. Stick to your roots. The age-old, fading recipes that are now being reread, rewritten and recherished for their endless benefits are nothing short of treasure. These golden recipes with various medicinal benefits helped a lot of us that now I am going to adopt more of in my life. Respect nature. If only these past months have taught us something, then that is to be mindful of nature's existence. In the developing age, none of us cared for what a trauma nature was going through, let alone thinking of giving it back. A little goes a long way. Start with using paper or cloth bag instead of plastic in your home. Eating healthy food. I know we have always known of this since forever. But how many of us really did do anything about it, right? Try doing different things and see what works best for you. I am cooking in an air fryer as another small attempt at reducing my oil consumption. I prefer to have a larger capacity air fryer just like this one only because it lets me cook a bigger batch of things. It has a digital display which I really love. Everything will happen in its own sweet time. Rushing and getting restless about things that are not really in our hands does more harm than good. Perhaps it is best to let it happen in its own sweet time. As it is, aren't we all waiting already for things to get sorted at their own pace? Developing a side hobby is essential. I got in touch with the creative side of me long ago. However, that creative side got lost somewhere on the way. I realized having a hobby helps in breaking the monotony of life and is much needed to keep our brain cells active, which is why I decided to refresh that side of me this year. Baking can be therapeutic. Like many of us, I tried my hand at various recipes too, and I found that cooking or baking can be a very calming and relaxing activity to pursue. Every step of the recipe yields a new output, and the end result is super satisfying. Be present. Take it from me, you don't always need a 10-year plan. You just need to follow your heart and do what's best. Holding on to the past and constantly thinking about what's coming next will only keep us away from enjoying what we have at the moment. Grow your own kitchen greens. The satisfaction of watching your seeds grow one day at a time, with you nourishing them slowly with light and water, is immense. Luxury can be attained with money, but it most definitely cannot bring you the contentment of watching life sprout from the earth. Bringing nature indoors. Plants have a way of their own. They bring in the much needed fresh vibe in the concrete jungle that we live in. If you don't have a side hobby, then try adopting some plant babies. Nourish them, care for them, and in no time, they will become your best friends. Resilience. As humans, we are amazing at adapting to situations, and that is our strength. So folks, hold on there, be strong, be resilient, and be positive. Here's Home Gupshup signing off for the last time in 2021. See ya folks in 2022. A very happy new year!